Reimagine your marketing with stunning AI-generated user-generated content ads, all powered by Leonardo AI. Today, we're diving deep into how Leonardo AI can revolutionize your user-generated content ad creation, making it faster, more efficient, and incredibly visually appealing. First, let's navigate to Leonardo AI's platform. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, ready to begin. The magic starts with your prompt. Think about the kind of UGC ad you want. Be descriptive. For example, a young woman laughing while holding a new organic skincare product in a sunlit, natural setting. Leonardo AI translates your prompt into a stunning visual. You can choose from various models to get the perfect aesthetic, whether you want a realistic look, a painterly style, or something more abstract. Don't forget the negative prompt. This tells Leonardo AI what not to include, ensuring your ad is polished and exactly what you envision. For instance, you might add blurry, distorted, watermark. Next, select your aspect ratio for typical social media ads. A square 11 or vertical 916 format works best. This ensures your visuals fit seamlessly across platforms. Explore Leonardo AI's various styles and generation settings. Experiment with different creative controls to fine-tune the mood, lighting, and overall feel of your ad. This is where you truly tailor the UGC aesthetic. Hit generate and watch as Leonardo AI delivers multiple high-quality image options. These aren't just static images. They're ready-to-use brand assets that mimic authentic user content. Once you've found the perfect image, simply download it. The process is intuitive and incredibly fast. You can then easily integrate these AI-generated visuals into your video editing software. Add your brand's text, music, and voiceovers to create compelling UGC ads that captivate your audience and significantly cut down on production time and costs.